morning everyone. Today our group will be presenting a case study on information management in AirAsia Airlines. I will begin with the case overview, followed by the company profile and the finding from our selected unit. For the case overview, this case study examines how information is managed within AirAsia Airlines, focusing on one of its business units. AirAsia operates in the aviation industry, where operation depends heavily on accurate, timely, and well-managed information. The objective of our study is to investigate how information supports the day-to-day operation of an airline and contributes to effective management decision-making. Next, moving on to the company profile. AirAsia Airlines is a low-cost airline based in Malaysia. It commenced operations in 1993 and started flying in 1996. The company provides both domestic and international flight service, operating routes across Asia and other countries. AirAsia adopts a low-cost business model by offering affordable ticket prices while maintaining efficient operations. To support this model, AirAsia relies on standardized service, high aircraft utilization, and extensive use of technology. Most customer interactions such as booking and check-in process are conducted through digital platforms, including website and mobile applications. Through fully integrated information system, AirAsia processes large volumes of operational and customer data daily, enabling efficient coordination and competitiveness in the aviation industry. Now, I will present the finding beginning with the core business of the unit. The core business of the selected unit in AirAsia focuses on passenger transportation service. This unit ensures flight operates safely, efficiently, and on schedule. It oversees flight slots, aircraft availability, and passenger traffic with the main objective transporting passengers from our destination to another while complying with aviation safely. For the activities of the unit, the division carries out several essential daily functions. These include flight scheduling, ticket pricing, passenger assistance at airport, and coordination with other departments. The unit works closely with the aircraft maintenance division to ensure aircraft safety and operational readiness before takeoff. It also tracks delays, cancellation, and schedule changing in real time to minimize disruption to passenger and airline operations. In terms of information and knowledge in the unit manages various types of data. Operational data includes flight schedules, flight status report, and aircraft availability. Customer data such as passenger details and booking history is used as enhanced service quality. Financial, regulatory, and human resource data for the support compliance, training, and management decision making. Lastly, regarding the format of information received and produced, most information in AirAsia is managed digitally. This includes database, system-generated reports, emails, PDFs, e-tickets, and boarding passes. Multimedia materials such as training videos and digital memos support staff development, while hard copy documents are limited to regulatory, legal, and audit purposes. That concludes my part. I will now hand over to the presentation to the next speaker from our group.
3.5 Types of information received and produced. Types of information like customer information, and the example in AirAsia context is passenger name records, contact information, booking reference, and loyalty program data. Next is the operational information like flight schedules, gate placement, delays, and baggage handling status. Next is the financial information like ticket payments, refunds, additional service charges, and transaction history. Lastly is the customer feedback information like customer complaint, suggestion, feedback forms, and satisfaction survey. 3.6 How information is stored physical and digital. For digital, AirAsia mainly use the digital storage system that the data managed by the airport and customer experience unit. AirAsia use the cloud-based infrastructure that is secure, always accessible, and shared share across multiple locations. Digital storage handles the operational data, customer information, and also the transaction records. AirAsia also uses the centralized airline management system that ensure the data consistency and accuracy across departments. AirAsia also uses the CRM and ERP system to store the customer contact, payments, reservation, refunds, and also the service history. For physical, AirAsia uses the physical storage for legal and compliance purposes like legal documents, contract, and regulatory records. Physical records stored in secure filing system for confidentiality. 7. How information is retrieved. AirAsia uses the integrated digital system like centralized airline management system, CRM, ERP to enable fast and accurate retrieval of operational and customer data. Next, information retrieved using the unique identifier such as booking reference number, flight number, customer ID to help the staff find specific data quickly in large databases and also to ensure the efficient handling of customer inquiries and operational issues. Lastly, AirAsia uses the controlled and restricted access. Customer service staff only can access the passenger profiles and issue records, while operational staff only can access the real-time flight data and also the delay report. 3.8. How information is disseminated intra and inter. Intra-unit dissemination, the AirAsia uses the digital system for real-time information sharing and collaboration. They use the centralized airline management system and company dashboard, and the information shared within unit includes the flight schedules, delay reports, customer service cases that ensure the information is accurate, up-to-date, and reliable. For inter-unit dissemination, the information shared with flight operation, finance, and customer service department. They use the system integration to support the smooth information sharing that apply the control access mechanism. 9. Preservation for short and long-term retention. For short-term retention, like flight operation data, customer service cases, and recent financial transactions, stored in short-term data stored in live databases and cloud-based platform. It supports immediate access, real-time monitoring, fast decision making, and continuous operation. For long-term retention, like legal records, regulatory information, financial data, and analytical data are stored in long-term data like data warehouse, secure cloud storage, and backup system. It ensures a long-term accessibility and transparency. AirAsia also used the role-based access control (RBAC). 0. Utilizations of information in the unit. Information is a key asset for operation and customer satisfaction, used to support smooth airport operations and enables the real-time decision-making. It helps to reduce the impact of flight delays on customer, and the customer data used to improve the service quality and travel experience. It used for passengers' profiles, travel history, customer feedback like website and AirAsia Move app data. 3.11 Standards and Convention. For category Corporate and Operational Governance, the standard and convention is AirAsia Group Policies, Security Policy, and the Data Governance Policy, Network Hardening, and Incident Response SOP. It is important to make sure that all airport operation and customer engagement platform follow the safety rules and take care of data all the time. Next category is the Data Protection and Privacy Law, and the standard is the Malaysia Personal Data Protection Act PDPA 2010. The law requires airlines like AirAsia to handle customer and employee data legally. Next category is the Industry Data Sharing Convention, and the standard and convention is IATA Data Protection and Privacy Framework. AirAsia must follow the rules for handling reservation data, passenger name record, check-in information, and other issues like this. Last category is the Corporate Governance and Reporting. Standard and convention is AirAsia Governance Policies, Tech Data Privacy and Accountability. The airport and customer experience units must ensure they follow the rules for managing information risks that apply to the whole group.
In my part, I will explain the personnel involved in information management at AirAsia. The main personnel include the chief data scientist and the data team. They analyze data related to flight operation, customer bookings, and business performance. This involves specialized teams such as the AirAsia.com data team, Airline Operation Data Team, and the Data Center of Excellence. IT staff are also responsible for managing information systems and the digital infrastructure. They ensure the system runs smoothly and information is secure, accurate, and reliable. Next, I will talk about the facilities used by AirAsia to manage information. AirAsia uses digital platform and advanced technology to manage large amount of operational and business data efficiency. One of the main facilities is the cloud-based human resource management system called Workday. Workday stores employee records such as career history, skills, and professional development and ensure the data is accurate and accessible. AirAsia also uses cloud-based ERP systems such as Oracle ERP to manage finance and procurement. This system integrates data across departments, support analysis and reporting, and help improve decision-making. In this part, I will explain how AirAsia quantifies information received and produced. AirAsia receives and produces large amounts of data daily through its digital platforms and operational system. This data include flight schedule, booking and payment records, customer information, employee data, and operational performance data. Information is measured using dashboard and analytical reports that track key performance indicators or KPIs in real time. These KPIs include flight punctuality, delays, revenue forecast, customer satisfaction, and operational efficiency. Integrated data system and analytic tools helps ensure data accuracy and support informed operational and strategic decisions. This part highlights the main problems in managing information at AirAsia. Although AirAsia uses various digital platforms, it still faces challenges in managing its information system. One major problem is system distraction, especially because AirAsia relies heavily on digital and cloud-based systems. For example, in July 2024, AirAsia experienced a global IT outage that affected flight operations and booking systems. Another challenge is data privacy and security. As AirAsia manages large amounts of sensitive employee and customer data, this increases the risk of data breach and cyber attacks, making security monitoring and access control more challenging. Here, I will discuss the solution for effective information management at AirAsia. To prevent problems like system distractions, AirAsia can implement a robust backup and disaster recovery plan. This includes redundant cloud infrastructure, real-time backups, failover system, and regular system testing. To address data privacy and security risks, AirAsia must enhance its cybersecurity measures. Solutions include encryption, multi-factor authentication, strict access control, regular security audits, system updates, and staff training on data protection policies. These strategies help ensure continuous operations and protect sensitive information from breach. For my final part, I will explain how AirAsia uses data mining. AirAsia uses data mining and analytics to get insight from operational and customer data. It helps predict crew fatigue, flight delays, and give information about aircraft and airports to improve efficiency and safety. For customers, data mining analyzes app and website UAs to personalize experience, improve pricing, and create marketing campaigns. It also helps predict customer demand, revenue trends, and optimize flight routes and marketing. This insight turns data into useful information for better decision and planning.
Moving on to the next point, I will explain the construction of a thesaurus to facilitate subject access. A thesaurus is a tool that helps organize information by standardizing terms. It makes sure everyone uses the same words for the same thing, so nothing gets lost or confusing. At AirAsia, it used to organize operational and customer info like flight delays or baggage issues. For example, a broad term like customer service issue includes specific problems, such as check-in problems. This way, staff can find the right information quickly. Building on the use of thesaurus, the next concept is metadata, which helps manage and organize information even more effectively. Have you ever wondered how airlines keep track of thousands of documents and records every day? AirAsia uses metadata, basically data about data, to make this easier. Each record, like a flight report or customer feedback, is tagged with info like date,
source, and category. This helps staff find information quickly, reduce mistakes, and see trends to make better decisions. Next, let's see how AirAsia handles all its data. They use data warehousing to gather information from bookings, flights, and customer service in one system. This makes it faster and easier to analyze data and make decisions. For example, BigQuery helps them spot booking patterns and understand customer behavior quickly. Now, let's take a look at how AirAsia keeps track of its real-world resources. This includes passengers, flights, check-in records, and luggage. To manage all of this efficiently, airlines use systems such as Flight Information Display System, also known as FIDS, along with reservation database that provide live updates. For example, at Kuala Lumpur International Airport, the Faces system uses facial recognition technology to quickly identify passengers. This helps speed up the check-in and boarding process, making the overall travel experience faster and smoother. For the next part, discussion and analysis. Looking at how AirAsia manages its data, we can see how it improves operations and customer service. The story and metadata keep information organized. Data warehousing with BigQuery combine flight into bookings and feedback. This helps spot trends, forecast demand, and make faster decisions. Real-time systems like Faces, Feeds, and reservation database track passengers, flight, and operational smoothly. To wrap up, here's the big picture for AirAsia. AirAsia's information system and technology play a crucial role in keeping airport and flight operations running smoothly and efficiently. By using real-time tracking system, the airline can accurately manage flights, passengers, baggage, and schedules. This ensures that information is always up to date and easily accessible for both staff and customers. These advanced systems help reduce human errors, improve coordination between departments, and enhance overall operational efficiency. As a result, AirAsia is able to provide better customer service, respond quickly to manage issues, and make smarter data-driven decisions that support long-term success. That brings us to the end of our presentation. AirAsia's smart use and data technology not only improve efficiency and reduce error, but also create a better travel experience for passengers. Thank you for listening.